Good day, guys, from good day.
Good day.
Good day, guys, from El Nido, and beautiful place on Palawan in the Philippines. So we're sitting here in our beautiful homestay. We arrived here from Port Baton yesterday.
In a minivan?
Yeah, and that minivan took around 4 hours, give or take, and it was quite a good ride here. It costed us like 600 pesos, Filipino pesos per person to get here, which is approximately maybe $10 US. And then we arrived here and we got a beautiful welcome from the host here.
Yeah.
Hi, thank you for staying us. God bless.
Very beautiful place just along the road. It's quite peaceful and quiet. We really enjoy it here. And today we are ready to explore El Nido. We're going to one of the world's most beautiful places, but we can't help to feel a little bit bound down today of everything that is happening in the world with the virus that is going viral right now. Because yesterday there were an outbreak of the first case here in the Philippines. A woman from China that were in Cebu, in Dumaguete, and now also in Manila. So she had been traveling around. This is the Chinese New Year, so there's a lot of people from China here right now. And the coronavirus, is coming from a province, Hubei or something like that, in Wuhan. Sad to see hundreds of people already have died, and thousands of people, tens of thousands of people are already being affected. And I hope once you've seen this video, then people are doing fine and the viruses have been stopped. But for now, let's go out and explore. We have rented a scooter for the day for 500 Filipino pesos, a little bit less than $10 US. So we're pretty much ready to go.
Yeah.
You look awesome in that purple helmet.
I do?
Yeah. It feels like it's maybe not.
A bit loose?
A bit loose, yeah.
Okay, we'll have to take a look at that.
Yeah. They always have so good music here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Dancing, singing, always.
We are stopping for some food before hitting the beach, and this restaurant is located just before the beach, and there is also a couple of other restaurants in this area here. Vegetable curry. That was good.
That was good.
Yeah.
So we had to pay some kind of fee, 100 pesos, so 50 per person, which is like $10 to get in at this beach. At that, tell you soon. So we just arrived here at the NACPAN beach after a 30-minute ride. It was scenic, it was beautiful, it was mountains and very wide roads made of concrete, so you will have a pleasant ride here. There were some parts where you had these sandy, muddy roads, but then it was a very beautiful ride here. And if you're living in town, maybe in El Nido town, you can expect to have a maybe 40-minute ride because we're living a little bit north of the town. But let's explore the beach.
We clearly picked a perfect day on the beach.
Yes, the perfect day.
The best weather. It's so sunny.
Can it be even more cloudy?
No. No, seriously. I think this beach would be very beautiful with some sun
Definitely.
and a little bit less wind so that you can swim.
Yeah, that would be cool without the red flag on the beach.
Yeah.
That would be pretty awesome.
But anyway, NACPAN beach is, I think, 3 kilometers long.
Yeah.
And it isn't too crowded actually, so you can definitely find a spot to be on your own and just relax.
You just have to walk a little bit.
Yeah.
And here at the NACPAN beach, you can also see, like you may have seen with the drone, that there's some kind of like twin beach on the backside where there's absolutely no people whatsoever. So you can also just like walk through the forest of palm trees and you can get to the twin beach, where you'll find a couple of boats, but it's more peaceful in the water and you can definitely swim here and just chill out for yourself, I would
Yeah.
say. How about this beach, guys? Was it beautiful?
The sand was also incredibly,
Soft.
yeah.
It was very soft. It was like a golden sand. It was super nice between your toes, and also we felt a little bit on the water. It was very beautiful.
Yeah, and all these palm trees. It's a really beautiful place.
Just rent a scooter on like that. Rent a scooter to get around here in El Nido. That's the best vehicle. You can also go with a tricycle. You're basically renting somebody to take you around, but it's very expensive here in El Nido.
Yeah. So that was it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you like it, guys, and I hope you can hear me.
Yeah, me too. A lot of vehicles in the background. See you in the next one.
Yeah,
Bye guys.